Hey guys, it's Andy here from ROVE, and on this video we're going to show you where we have mounted the rear camera for the ROVE R3 Dash Cam. As you could see on this video, the cable is going up and then inside the trim, right, and it's going over here, then coming down right there, and it's going up in the trim again and on this trim, and then it goes up again and comes down, goes up right there, comes right there, coming out right here and up to the ROVE R3's front camera. Okay, so again, it's going up in the trim, nice and clean installation, going up through the trims right there again, all the way there, and coming out up there, and then in the back. All right, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will love your ROVE R3 as much as we do. Cheers.